Traders, we're looking at the Euro Kiwi. We have it on a monthly time frame. I'm just getting my bearings. Now this is bearish here. Now it's traded down into these lows. I'm looking for a short, and we're going to mark up these monthly lows here as potential targets, and then we'll go down to the weekly. So I've picked up this candle wick low, and I've picked up this open body here, close open. 3 target levels that we can look at. Let's go to the weekly time frame, and we'll work our way down the time frames and come up with an entry point. And we've got this target down here as well, these lows on the weekly, so we could look at that. So we've got these target 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that, aiming for liquidity under these lows here. Now we've traded down into a big level here, so just be careful because we could see this reject here or at least retrace. Okay, so let's just have a look at it on the daily. Okay, so here's my thing with this daily time frame. We have these lows here on the daily. That's the high of this bearish green distribution candle. You could pick up that whole range there if you like, and then we've got this one up here as well, coincides with these lows. So a couple of levels above. Where do you want to enter? Well, I'm going to go from this swing down. So let's just have a look at it on the 4H. So we've got this range here. I'm going to go from this swing high right there. If you're finding value in the video, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. Secondly, I'd like to invite you to jump on board our free VIP Telegram group. It won't cost you anything for 30 days, and it will give you an opportunity to see what's possible. Use the opportunity to grow your account or pass a prop firm challenge. And lastly, before we get back into the video, check out my website, tradingwithanthony.com. Full details there. We also have a Forex account management service. And as I said, everything's on the website. So with that, let's get back into the video. So let's just pick up a Fibonacci, pull it from the swing high to low. And I want this to trade back into these levels here. So let's just grab a short position tool, 61.8. Let's just call it 50 to 61.8. Stop. I'm going to go above this high, and we have our target points. Pull it all the way down. See how this coincides with the Fibonacci. I've got this 50% on here. It's not a true fib level, but what it gives me this price swing. See this swing here? It gives me the 50% level of this swing. In other words, above the 50 is a premium and below is a discount. You probably want to wait for price to move back up in here. Now you may or may not get a fill, that's the thing. If you're really confident with this trade, you could take it here and put up with, the possibility that this retraces, because we do have some decent targets. We're looking at about a 3R down in here. So 50%, what I've done with the Fibonacci is I've gone from this level here, an equal measured move, 50%. So there's your 50 above, 50 below. And I've done the same thing with the 100. 100% above, 100% below. If there's no price action, previous price action to go off, I'm going to be setting targets around slightly before the 50, and slightly before this 100 down in here. So we could move that up like so. Hope that makes sense. So measured move, 50%, 100%. What else can I say? I mean, that's my take on the Euro Kiwi, guys. And yeah, be careful. The markets can get pretty volatile. We do have data coming out, I think, involving the euro, so watch out for that. It could give us a bit of volatility. All right, with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.